Here I have ALCATEL 3 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock methods, for example the fingerprint. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds. Power key and volume up, keep holding both keys. Excellent. Release all keys as soon as ALCATEL logo pops up on the screen, and that's it. As you can see, this is the Android recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So at first, let's choose your language. In my case, let me choose English, press power. And here you need to scroll down by using volume down to highlight wipe data factory reset and press power key to confirm it. Scroll down again to choose yes, delete all user data and press power key to begin the hard reset operation. Right now the device is erasing and deleting all personal stuff, customized settings and installed apps. As soon as Android recovery mode pops up again on the screen, press power key to reboot system now. And the device is restarting and rebooting, so let's be patient and wait until the whole process will be completed successfully. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up. As you can see, there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.